queen. You always keep it G for me.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my channel is mainly based on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content with a splash of DIYs, hair tutorials. So today is basically going to be like a hair tutorial. So I'm going to show you guys how I do a braidless install of a U-part wig. Like, I don't have on any braids. I did not braid my hair, and I have on nails too. Like, I can't braid my hair when I have nails. So my hair is currently growing out from a short haircut, like a TWA. So it's short. I can braid it if I wanted to, but I just don't feel like doing it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I installed this U-part wig that is from Beauty Forever Hair as well. No, it's not a sponsored video, but I wish it was. But yeah, I purchased this wig with my own money as well. I did give some details as well about this wig during the video. So yeah, and then I'll leave it in the description box below, like the length of the hair and what type of wig it is basically. So yeah, and this is currently not flat iron at all. This is like basically the natural state. I only dyed it jet black. But yeah, that's pretty much what I did to it. So it's not flat iron. I didn't put any heat to it. Oh yeah, it's blending in like perfectly. Okay, so if you want to see how I installed this U-part wig without braids, then keep on watching. Okay, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe as well.
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot, cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wavy bagels.
Okay, so to start off this U-part install, well, braidless U-part install, so my hair is like freshly clean. I shampooed it last night in the shower. So the only thing I have on it right now is this Cantu shea butter. It's like a scalp and hair oil. So it has like tea tree and jojoba. I think that's how you say it, but it's hair and scalp oil. I just recently started using this, but my scalp has been like super dry, so I was like, let me just put this on because I don't have any more of the other oil that I was using. So I'm using this currently. It's pretty good, but I think I'm actually going to use a little bit more today. But I like to put this like on my scalp because my scalp is dry, and since we are in the winter, it's like super dry. Okay, so first I'm going to section off where I want my leave out. I don't really leave that much out, but I'm kind of mad today because I just colored my hair not too long ago. I think I just need to touch it up, but my grays are showing already. Like, I'm just so over it right now. I'm just over it. Okay, but anyway, they all back here too. I'm just like, why? Look right here. Oh my god. Wow, I didn't even know they were showing that bad. I'm gonna have to get one of those like touch-up sticks. This is so sad. Okay, so this is gonna be my leave out. And I like to use a rubber band because a clip does not work for me. Where's my rubber? Okay, so this is going to be my leave out. I'm going to be using some different things today. So I actually went to the beauty supply store this morning and I picked up a wax stick. I never used a wax stick before, but this is by Cantu. I found this at my local beauty supply store, but it's Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Hair Wax. It has shea butter, beeswax, of course, honey, and coconut oil. So it's supposed to be like flake-free, non-sticky. I never used a wax stick before, but I mean, I hope it works out. I really just got it just for like my leave out part, because I was just flat ironing my hair to, like, you know, blend in with the U-part wig. But I was like, let me just try like a wax stick. So Because usually I would just like put my hair up in a ponytail and then just put the wig on, and it actually stays. But I'm gonna try something different today. I hope this stuff do not flake up, because you know how stuff be saying it's not flaky, but then it end up flaking. I'm like, come on now. But I feel like this might work. I actually picked up a new gel. I was going to use that, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to use that or not. I might for like the back of my hair. That stuff smells so good. Oh my God. Okay, I think I'm gonna use the gel. So today I picked up, I've never seen this one before. I guess this is new, but it's the Eco Style Gel. It's the Black Castor. Black Castor, I'm probably saying it wrong, but it has avocado oil too. So I guess this is why it's like a yellow type of green color. But yeah, I'm gonna use this today. I'm gonna take another rubber band to put the back of my hair in a ponytail. It's not much, but it helps when I put the wig on and it's like a comb in the back. So it just has something to like, you know, hold on to. But I'm just doing like a low pony. Okay, so here is the wig. This is the Beauty Forever wig that I ordered. So it has the 3 combs. This is a 2x4 like leave out space. So you can leave out very little or a lot if you want to. I try to do like very little because I just don't want my hair to be out. So yeah, it has 3 combs in the front, and then it has 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and it does have the adjustable straps in the back. I kind of just leave these alone, but today I'm actually going to put them in like right next to the comb that's in the back. And this wig too, it did come with like lace on the back, but I cut that part off. I'm not really sure why it had lace on the back, but I cut that part off. But it's 1 comb in the back, so I just put this underneath the ponytail part. So, and I don't really mess with the sides of the, like the combs on the side. So let's see. Let me comb her out. So this is, I think I did mention it's an 18-inch. And I did dye her jet black. I mixed jet black with like a natural black. So, and I let her air dry overnight. And this is what it looks like in the inside too. I feel like it is a big head friendly. I mean, I guess I'm not really sure my head size, honestly. But I do have a lot of room in this wig. So I'm going to slide the back comb right here. Front comb right here. Okay, so I got my flat iron. I got a new flat iron as well. So this is the Her Styler. I don't know. I found this at a store called Burlington, but I really needed a new flat iron. The one I had before, I had that flat iron for like years. It was time for a new one. But I have not used the wax stick yet on my leave out part. So I'm going to flat iron it first. Just because I had let my natural hair air dry overnight. Because I already knew, well, I had already planned on doing it today. But I'm just going to go over it with a flat iron real quick to straighten it out. I'm still mad about my little gray hairs. I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm kind of concerned. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get one of those like gray cover up things for my roots. This side is so bad. Oh my God. I don't even want to zoom in. It's like grays everywhere. Okay. Now I'm going to use the wax stick. I hope that it does not have no type of like residue on it. I'm gonna be very upset. But yeah, I'm about to go in and do it real quick. I'm gonna try to go over my where my ends are. Oh, I forgot to mention too, this Beauty Forever U-part wig. It was very affordable. I believe it was like, I know it was like less than $100. I'm like very pleased with the quality of it. Did I bring my toothbrush? I forgot my toothbrush, but oh well. I'm just trying to get a little bit of the flyaways so that it can look flat and blend into the U-part wig. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this just to let it air dry some because I don't want to put any heat on it. I have been like flat ironing it, but I want to, you know, try to keep it away from the heat. But it's super soft. Like, oh my God, this hair is so soft. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look of my hair. My lighting is kind of crazy right now. But yeah, this is how it came out. If you got a U-part wig and short hair, get you a wax stick, please, because I did see like a major difference from me not using a wax stick. So I'm glad I went out to the beauty supply store this morning to get one. But yeah, get you a wax stick because like the way it's blended into my hair is crazy. Like all I really needed was a wax stick. I wish I would have knew that before. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this more often. But yeah, if you use it like on the ends of your hair, like where your hair falls like towards the U-part wig, do that first and then go into like the parting area. But yeah, I did not go over it with a flat iron too. And then the wax stick just like laid it down like seamlessly, like it's blending in. I was like, okay. So yeah, this is how it came out. I'm not going to like curl my hair. I'll probably do some type of style another day or whatever, but I'm just letting it air dry right now. But I just love how it came out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then feel free to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.
This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute kiss to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it.